Oh, yes! Going to the toy store makes me feel like a kid in a candy store. Only with toys. Oh no! We're trapped in the toy store! Wait, we're trapped in the toy store! Yeah! Oh yeah, this has potential. Let's get started before anyone realizes we're here. Shake your groove thing, Mr. Cactus. He doesn't even need music to dance. Oh wait, what's she gonna do with those scissors? No, not the cactus! Oh, thank goodness. Wait, what are you up to now? Oh, come on, that's his skeleton! Great, now he's practically a jellyfish. Well, at least you can put him back together. What a great idea! A container! No, wait, the toy is what's inside. Stress balls. Wow, it changes colors. Kinda looks like grapes. Oh, what's this girl doing with those scissors? Let's hope she cleans up her mess. I don't think this place has a night staff. Wow, that's one big ball. Either it's the kind you sit on, or someone has a lot of stress. But the bigger it is, the more there is to pop. Look at everything inside. And the more you tighten your grip, the more it slips through your fingers. Do you think she'll be satisfied with all these little balls? Yeah, probably not. There's something interesting inside this ball. It's really squishy. Remember to be safe around sharp tools, kids. Oh, look, a bunch of cute little pink mochi bunnies! And they're squishy! And stretchy, too.
Wow!
Of course she goes for the big one. Well, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. Looks like this toy was already cut up before she got to it. I guess the difference between a giant teddy and a costume is some stuffing. See, now you can appreciate what school mascots go through. Yeah, you go, girl. The floss, yeah. Hey, where'd those guys come from? Okay, what's next? Oh, look, Bert, rubber ducky. No, the blue guy. Oh, it's so stretchy and so easy to cut up. I always wondered what was inside. What's she up to next? Looks like she's reenacting that scene from Willy Wonka. Let's just hope this thing is as stretchy as its name. It's gonna need it. Man, that's some serious sumo. With this big thing, who needs a stress ball? Let's see what's next. Well, I get that there's a theme here, but hasn't she heard of you break it, you buy it?
Yes.
Still, this doll seems to be a tough little nut to crack, but she'll always find a way. Ew, look, there's a little brain inside. Must be a toy for future brain surgeons. There's a bunch of fun balls to play with.
Wow.
But look, there's an egg. Should be easy to crack. Oh, looks like it's supposed to be opened up. Wow, who needs toys when you have chocolate? Let's eat! Wait, there's something inside. Just add water and we've got… let's see, a roll of… money! Ha! We're in the money! Well, here's another toy where opening it up seems like part of the fun. Think of a stuffed toy that doubles as a giant pouch. And there's a popsicle inside. But we're just getting started. Let's see what's inside the popsicle, too. Oh, better yet, let's take our time. The real fun is in cutting everything up. And I'm not alone in thinking that. The hidden prize includes cutters. And that's not all. There's a cute little toy. A toy in need of a bath. Brr, poor thing looks cold. Try the warm water. Well, now it looks better, but not for long. Some foam puzzle pieces? I guess we're working backwards here. We're not gonna look at the inside. We're using it to make the insides. You'd be as snug as a mole in a hole with this tunnel. Or maybe not. What a cute little house! And look, there's even a little window hole. Here's a tip. Always keep an eye out for those pesky security cameras. Oh, never mind. It's just a toy with a baby monitor. We're safe. We already know what's inside, but we can still take a deeper look.
Ooh.
It's selfie time. Make sure you get your best angle and smile. Oh no, it looks like I was right to be worried about security. No. Oh, nice stash. Well, let's just hope they let her off with a warning. I mean, they did lock her in after all. The best part about rainbows? Making them rain. Oh, I'm so sorry about your pet. But we can rebuild him.
Huh?
He was made of blocks. See? All better. But save that cotton. It could sure use some color. So why not the whole rainbow? It's your gerbil's new cape. Pin behind his ears. Since you're not sick, I guess it's time for gerbil school. Okay, you guys had your lunch. Now it's time for gerbil recess. You're going places. Seriously. Hey, what did blocks ever do to you? Ooh, did you step on one once? This rainbow's all wet. Makes sense. But look at all the treasures inside. Ooh, could this be a pot of gold? It's something even better. Slime! I would have spent the gold on slime anyway. After all, just see what it can do. We can whip up some familiar faces.
Yay!
These boots are made for walking and making messes. But teacher said to keep your hands to yourself. Hold on, this girl's got an idea. Heat up a ruler. Once it's nice and soft, it's time to make an impression.
Oh?
Give those spikes some color and some happy faces. Here, this should cheer up you-know-who.
Huh?
Aw, she almost smiled. No use crying over spilled glue. On second thought, it's your bottom. You can cry if you want to. Well, at least you can enjoy the breeze. Besides, our little dino friend can help. Just fill him up, and he's your very own sticker stamp. And look, he works on skin, too. Maybe you can cover that tear. Remember, with stickers, the more, the better. Now that's a paint of a different color. It's kind of like a 7-for-1 deal. Swipe the brush, and it's instant rainbow. Oh, careful! That paint's still wet. Don't worry, I'm sure it wipes right off. But it'd be a shame to waste all those colors. Add a little sponge on top. Now it's a new marker. Yeah, she likes that a lot better. Lunchtime! Ew, I don't like the smell of that. Or look! Well, guess it's good for science class. Take a closer look. Let's enter this mold in the science fair. All those colors! It's almost pretty in a weird way. Try it on something already pretty. Now try to guess what this is. Yeah! Ew. Lunch was a bust, so let's have dessert. That did not go down smoothly. No ice cream? But we all scream for ice cream. Well, we'll just have to whip up a different kind of cone. Draw out some of your favorite flavors. Ooh, someone's getting 3 scoops. When it comes to ice cream, make it reach high. Oh no, it's melting! Melting! Oh, what a world, what a world. Ah, never mind, it's okay. Ah, much better. Always nice to make the best of a sticky situation. You can color a rainbow all at once. Well, in theory. Don't worry, we just need to work smarter. This time, make sure the colors are lined up. Now keep them in place with some hot glue. Try it now. Doesn't that work better? Okay, it's good for writing. Now let's try coloring. That's one way to stay inside the lines. Well, I guess everyone's a critic. Uh-oh, the worst time to run out of TP! Don't worry, somebody's got backup. Ooh, someone's about to win big! Only to lose it all. Well, at least you've got the roll. Cut it up. Add it to the cardboard collection. Looks like unicorns are making a comeback. Add a button that twists and turns. Just a few more touches and seal it up. It's a brand new game, and everyone's a winner! Open it up to see your prize. Really livens up that notebook, huh? Ooh, your backpack's pretty and pink. Unfortunately, not everyone agrees. Oh no! You ripped it! She'll need a new one! Well, she does kind of owe it to you. Take these pieces of fancy cardboard. Make sure to seal them up nice and tight. Fold it up, and you've got a box. Make that a purse. It may be small, but it's sturdy. Ooh, what cool earrings! Shame they're against the dress code. Well, on the bright side, at least they won't go to waste. You know what to do. Don't get mad. Get crafting. And we've got our special 3D paints to help too. We can make some brand new rainbows. And hope the teacher doesn't notice this time. Ooh, look! It's the new toy store! It's got a lot of new shipments. Uh-oh, I don't think the owner likes kids. She sure chose the wrong profession. But she sure is generous with cardboard. Don't worry, Mom knows what to do. Cardboard can be a lot of fun too. Just remember, 2 halves make a whole. Remember, we need things to be nice and sturdy. Because we're making our own toy shop. It's almost time for the grand opening. Ooh, Oren's our new checkout girl. Grab a cart. It's time to get shopping. And look, he's got the platinum card. Place an order for any toy you want. Looks like you gotta make it yourself. The funny thing is, he ordered a puzzle. Hey, I wonder what's in this box. Oh, cool! A piggy bank! Is it filled? You know, there's usually a plug. Well, there's money, but not enough. But have no fear, the cardboard is here! We just need to draw out a plan. After all, who needs a piggy bank when we can make a pinky bank? So she's gonna need a little pink. Much better. She'll need something to hold your coins. Of course, it also helps to have some coins. Now saving is fun and easy. Time for breakfast. Ooh, you're out. But it looks like there's a prize inside. A new pet. And it practically feeds itself. Apparently. Okay, you hold the rodent, we'll take the box. Still, if your friend likes cardboard so much, we should make it a little more fun for him. In fact, we'll make him his very own fun house. And why not make it a maze while we're at it? Come on, it's time for the test run. Let's see if this guy can stick the landing. Ooh, you got a little something. Shake it off. Hang in there, baby. You're almost there. Careful, it looks like a tight squeeze ahead. Great! You're on cloud 9. It's time to collect your prize. How about some cheese next time? Looks like candy time. Well, that was quick. Yeah, I don't think the 5-second rule applies here. And it looks like Mom agrees with me. Here, we'll make something fun. Roll up some tubes. Fill it up with some tissue or paper. Now place the tube through a cup. Ooh, anyone up for a little squid game? It looks like if you want candy, you gotta see young He. And it looks like she's feeling generous today. Vroom vroom, this kid's got a need for speed. Uh-oh, where are the brakes on this thing? Well, at least you landed in something soft. Ugh, where's a car wash when you need it? Well, we'll just make one of our own. We're gonna need some of those brushes. That'll do. Just hang it up on top. We better go big or go home. Time to get the good times rolling. And the finishing touch, the sign. Looks like we've got our first customer. After a spritz, it's time for a good brushing. Okay, we're gonna need the heavy stuff. Sometimes you need a tough touch. Now your vehicle's factory fresh new. Cleaning can help you find all sorts of lost treasures. But yeah, that's not one of them. Those roaches will outlive us all. But until that day, let's have some fun. Let's whip up a cardboard minion. Now take a small plastic bag. Use it to trace out some numbers. Fill it up with glue, the fun, sparkly kind. Seal it up and squeeze it around. Is it a pretend phone or pretend calculator? You decide. Ooh, guess he went with phone. Why are you emptying that bucket? Oh, I see. You're making a new cubby. But I'd be careful. He thinks it's a basketball hoop. Oh, and that was her good foot, too. Don't get mad. Get crafty. Thank you, cardboard. Poke some holes and grab that glue gun. Of course, the real work is done behind the scenes. Now take a straw. Well, when you're done. Add pieces around the structure, especially around the corners. Now run some string through them. Next, we'll need a mouse. Add some glue. Grab those strings and take them for a spin. Run the mouse up the wall and shield the ball. Or try to get it through the hole, whichever comes first. Don't worry, you've got another life. Up the ladder. The top hole! That wins the game! How about another round? Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, don't be scared.
Oh?
The electricity bill! Oh, maybe we should be scared.
Oops.
How about a fun paper craft? We'll make a fun paper robot. Now we need to fill up that light bulb. But we really want to light things up. Lay down some wires and conductors. Almost done. You just got to plug it in. Ooh, guess the check cleared after all. Breakups are never easy, even for puppies. Hearts are breaking all over around here. Don't cry, puppy. We still love you. Here's an idea. Let's make you a new friend. It's a new puppy, but he looks a little flat. Now he's well-rounded, or at least three-dimensional. Add a bow tie, so you know he's cool. Aw, I think she likes him. Wow, the sky just laid an egg. What's inside? A baby chick. Well, that seems normal enough. At least until you give her a good stretch. Marshmallow chicks have nothing on you. Ooh, she laid an egg. Anyone want breakfast? Well, time to get cracking. What, are you adding salt to taste? Now, let's heat things up. Give it a stretch. Who says you can't play with your food? Let's play a game. Customize some sprunky friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. Gray looks sleepy. Wake up! The sun is shining. Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun. Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Warren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with Sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Darnold? Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble. Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vineria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race.